Let's take a closer look at another important area of the closed-end fund market.
Sure.
Can you tell us about emerging markets?
Emerging markets have been a really strong performer and a great allocation within our credit closed-end funds here over the past year. We think that trend can continue. We like, first of all, a lot of the structural and political changes that a lot of these countries have made over the last several years as their currencies have been under pressure. We think is a positive for investors. And then you overlay that with the current valuations. You're getting a really significant pickup in spread and yield to go into some of these both local as well as US dollar exposure. So, we have overweights across our credit closed-end funds to countries like Brazil and Argentina. We think these are countries that have bottomed from a growth perspective and are going to actually exit recession here in 2017. And also Russia. Russia continues to benefit from the stabilization in the commodities markets, and we think that there's opportunities there with those local bonds trading around 8% for shareholders to pick up some nice income in their closed-end funds with that opportunity.
What's your thinking on a rising rate environment?
Yeah, no, we think rates can move moderately higher here this year in 2017 as the Fed looks to offset any type of fiscal stimulus with a reduction in monetary stimulus. So we wouldn't be surprised if you saw higher rates here in the States. The one thing I would say is that comes with higher growth or an accelerating growth rate here in the U.S. So our spread positions are gonna benefit as well. So with that in mind, we are long duration relative to the benchmarks in our credit closed-end funds. We also own an allocation to U.S. government bonds. And we just think if maybe the euphoria around some of the Trump administration policies doesn't come to fruition, those government bonds are going to really rally and do well and sort of offer a hedge for credit investors in their portfolio. So we think that's an important part of diversified strategies in our credit closed-end funds.